Man, I used to play the trap spot, propped on the block like I was part of the backdrop. Now it's scale, props, effects, and backdrops. The right lighting, you never catch me biting. Say you make it look so real when you pose the figures fighting. I caught lightning, stuck it in the detour. Replicate epic scenes from the Creed War. Compose pieces with artists that span the globe. Fearsome foes, Spidey in the picture perfect pose. Insert the comic book cutout to shoot a show. Oh, you ain't know? Yo, everybody know me. I made nerds cool, cool nerd like my man Zobi. Took the everyday display, gave it a spark. Welcome to articulated comic book art.
Okay, so we're gearing up for the 2012 ACBA World Championship Tournament. This is just a quick update. I'm trying to fill 100 slots this year for the tournament. It's $10 per person to enter, which means if we get 100 people, then that's $1,000 to throw around for prizes. Last year, the entry fee was only $6, and the first place winner took home, I think, $350 in cash and prizes, and then second through fourth place took home cash and prizes as well. So trying to do the same thing this year, just on a larger scale. Got some good judges for the panel this year, getting some great support from some of the big dogs in the community, so the tournament will be much bigger, much better this year. I did put up a post in the Facebook group maybe about a week or so ago, asking people to comment with their email address. Didn't get quite as many people interested as I anticipated, so I'm trying to put this video out ahead of MTIT to get the ball rolling. Got a nice little invitation package that I'm gonna start rolling out, sending out in the emails to people that have already sent out their email to me. So again, I'm just trying to put this up on YouTube because I know it's a lot of people that's on YouTube that's not on Facebook. And so if you're interested in competing this year in the 2012 ACBA World Tournament, please send me a private message with your email address. Again, trying to fill 100 slots. If I get inquiries from over 100 people, then obviously some people are gonna have to sit out. But you know, I'm gonna get together with the judges and make some good decisions about who's gonna be able to compete this year. So that's pretty much it. If you're interested in competing, please private message me as soon as possible. The tournament will run for a couple of months in 2013. Obviously, it's not going to start until the 1st of January. Things are not going to really start rolling. So if you have the time, it's not going to be as long as last year's competition. It will come much quicker. Things will be in succession. Be a little more organized this year. So I mean, that's what the wait was about this year. That's what it's taken so long. Just wanted to make sure everything was in order, all ducks was in a row. So yeah, man, if you're interested, hit me up in a private message, and I'll talk to you in a few days in MTIT. Peace.